Hello, folks. When my friends and I fly Aerofly RC-10 simulator online, we like to fly that Crack FOKKER. I never had a triplane or anything with 6 ailerons, so I wanted one. But after looking, I saw that Twisted Hobbies has a kit, so I went ahead and purchased it. I bought their mini receiver and I'm binding it to my Radio Master TX16i with Edge TX software. Instead of buying their motor, servos, and speed control for $150, I decided to buy the Amazon motor, speed control, and 2 servos in the kit for $23. I used this setup on my Magnum Reloaded and it's still working great for much less. So putting it all together requires a flat surface and plenty of foam tack. So this is the unknown receiver that I got, and so I bound it up to my Radio Master TX16S with Edge TX software. Note, this is the setting that you have to use with this Twisted Hobbies receiver. So with all those ailerons, I decided I better set up dual rates, actually triple, and a throttle cut switch. Always set that so kill position is in towards me. You know, it's too easy to bump when it's the other way, and I know because I've done it. Next, I had to print out the manual, which was like 42 pages. So instead of the included plastic parts, I purchased the upgraded carbon fiber ones. They're stronger, especially the round motor mount, plus the glue sticks better to them. I'm not affiliated with these guys at all, but I did put a link in the description box so you can see where I got it. So let's go ahead and see if the model flies like the sim or vice versa. So this Crack FOKKER only weighs a little more than 13 ounces. And so it does pretty good in the wind, especially on this smaller battery. Well, it's pretty windy to be flying this, and I'm only using the 7.4 battery because that's what they recommend. But I'm going to put the 11.1 battery in there, and it's not supposed to be so windy. We're going to try that. This is a big difference with the extra cell in the battery, and the same as my Magnum. So keep watching because it's coming up right after this landing. A little breezy for it, but maiden flight, all good.
It's so cool to fly.
So thanks to I Live for the camera work, and thanks to you for watching me build and fly a plane with 6 ailerons. Well, I have to say, the Aerofly RC-10 simulator flies just the same, and so for that reason, I'm really loving this little Fokker. Please stay tuned and buy my book if you don't mind, please. You'll love it. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, and we'll see you next episode.